Goeiemôre, welkom by Welkom Skinny Yes, Rebound. Is hier so waar ons dieper gaan, maar hoe werk die rebound, hoekom doen ons dit, wat is die issues en so aan. As ek die issues dan beteken het, wat gebeur in my liggaam, wanneer ons rebound, gaan dit nie oor die hoogte nie, maar die impact, daai druk, elke keer wat jy druk op jou hak of op jou voet, is dit 'n beweging wat reg deur jou liggaam gaan, want jy staan regop, en 'n impact het. So, dan word nuwe bloed, skoon bloed, nie nuwe bloed, skoon bloed deur jou selle gestuur en alles wat toksies is en vuil is, word dan geflush. Die instrukteurs sê vir ons, hy was skorrelgoed, as hy rebound, as hy op die rebound klim. So ek wil vir julle lees, dit is nou ongelukkig Engels, maar ek wil vir julle lees. Love moves like a journey. It is not rushed, forced or reckless. It is guided, grounded and intentional. God commands us to love our neighbor as ourselves, which means healthy love begins with stewardship of the life and body we have been given. When you love yourself in a godly way, you take responsibility for your vessel. You are the steward of your ship. You guard it, train it, and strengthen it with wisdom. Not extremes. You do not try to leap beyond your present strength and injure what God has entrusted to you. Growth in both faith and health follows the same order. Foundation first, strength later. So, when we are exercising, we are taking ownership of our ship. For this is the vessel. This is the ship God gave us. Each and every one of us are the owners, sole owners. There's no one owning your body. And if someone else makes you feel that you're not in control, it is not of God. Then you need to rethink your situation. Okay. So in our life, we come in contact with people, situations, and when you are at work, and all those things had an impact on you, and now you come home, and you need to prepare a meal for your family, and you did that, now you're tired, and you want to go and rest, but let me tell you something. When we experience any kind of stress, our body reacts according to what's going on in our thoughts. So if you feel not safe, your body goes into a fight and flight reaction, and adrenaline is being released, for you need to now run. But if you're at work and someone makes you feel that you are in fear, do you have the ability to run then? No, you need to stand your man, stand your ground. So that adrenaline is still in your body when you get home tonight. And then you start feeling tired because you did not release that. Now, I want to tell you what you can do when you get home on a rebounder. 2 minutes. It's going to take you 2 minutes. But first, I want to show you this. This ball we're going to take, and I'm going to squeeze. And when I squeeze, I say, taking back, letting go, taking back, letting go, taking back, letting go. And then you think about that thing that was taken from you today, that fear that came upon you, it took your peace. So I'm taking back my peace of the day, and I'm letting fear go. Taking back my joy, letting sadness go. Taking back control, letting abuse go. You see? So whatever you're taking back, you declare it. When you squeeze, for it's yours now. You take it with authority. For the authority God gave you, you take it back and you let go. So this I'm going to do in the next section. That's going to be video 2, part 2 of today. God bless you. And may His face shine upon you. And may He bring you peace. Amen.